Hey there, it's Tim here. I wanted to share a quick update on what I've been working on today, actually, on my YouTube channel, on this beautiful vlog that I'm working on. And what I did today, I spent the day coding for Think Out Loud. And I actually, I'm leaving tomorrow for holidays. I'm going on holidays for 3 weeks in total. No, 2 weeks until the end of the month. And once I'm back, we're gonna start onboarding our first users for Think Out Loud. We have around 65, if I remember correctly, people that signed up in the waiting list already. And once I'm back, we're gonna start onboarding them and showing them what we built, get some feedback, and figure out what are the next steps to make this a product that is sustainable and profitable as well. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna show you what we built, and in this case, I'm gonna use a Framer prototype to show you how the product works and what is gonna be soon available to beta users. What I want to show you is how the feedback functionality works, how we can actually ask for feedback from people. And I'm gonna use a Framer prototype for this for a client that I'm working with at this moment. So once you sign in to Think Out Loud, you can create a scenario, and we're gonna create a scenario, let's say, called onboarding flow of restocks app. And it's gonna be I want to test a prototype of the app that I designed, of the onboarding flow that I designed for the app of my client called Restocks. So here we can have an intro message. I'm just gonna leave the placeholder here since it's a generic one. It does the job, and I'm gonna describe what I want. I would like you to go through the onboarding and try to buy a pair of sneakers you want to buy, by the way. Link to the prototype is gonna be the nice. And then there's the thank you message. So I created my scenario. As you can see here, it's the screen where I'm gonna see all the responses, and I can share this link. What I need to do is just share with this link with the people that I want the feedback from. And what they're gonna see is first, hey, Jim here, and I would like to, it's the intro message, and then it's the what I need them to try. We also have an example here so that people can understand how to use Think Out Loud in case that is not very clear what kind of recording they will do. And then you can start recording. You request access. And then you receive the message with a link to use. So I can open the prototype, I can use it and think out loud. So here it's the onboarding flow, and then I can do this and that and so on. It's like you actually use the product and give your feedback, go back, stop the recording, and then I can send my response. This sadly breaks now because it's on the local environment, doesn't work well with the API yet. It's something that we need to fix. But this is the core functionality, and I can show you how it looks when you actually have a response, the UI. It's over here. You just see the table with the responses at the bottom to access the link so that you can share it with more people. Super simple, super fast, focused on one thing only. We have a roadmap with ideas on what we could build in the future as well. But for now, we're just going to keep it simple. And this is the goal in general, is to keep our product focused, do one thing and do it in the best way possible, and make feedback, think aloud type of feedback accessible to more people out there.